Hey there, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, general contractor, remodeler in North Carolina. Have you ever put drywall tape on or a patch and a day or so later when you're about ready to sand it, or maybe you already started sanding and you're like, wow, that didn't turn out the best. You're like, I wish I could reverse this. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to take a wet sponge, and you know what? Let me just skip right to it and show you a real easy method of removing it. All right. Oh man, it's already loosening up that mud. Look at that. All right, so mind you, that's been on there. The patch was done a week or two ago for demonstration purposes. Let's let it wet, soak the water up. We'll be back, hit it one more time. See, we're getting right down to our original patch. You say, well, why would you do that? Well, sometimes you're near a corner, a wall, or something. I'm right in here somewhere. Right there I am. What do you think of that? Oh, and you're like, well, why don't I just sand it down? Well, here's the issue. If you start sanding a lot, you'll start curling that other paper up. And when you start weakening and compromising the other paper, then your patch gets larger and larger and larger. All right, hopefully you enjoyed. This is Darren with Confident Home Solutions. Tune back for more tips, tricks, all that good jazz. All right, thanks for watching.